in North Carolina, and it is actually snowing out here. This is the first time I actually seen snow in 25 years. The snow flurry, there's Gypsy with me. That's the house I'm at. Come on, get up. Something wrong with it. But it's actually snow flurry. It's the first time I've seen snow in 25 years. And there's a little country church. That's right next to the house I'm at. In Murphy, North Carolina. Right near the Hiawassee River. And I don't know if you can see it, but there was actually little snow flurries. And it's the first time I see snow in 25 years. It's exciting. Wow. It's snowing.